Hey my friends! In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to turn disappearing messages on or off on WhatsApp. Okay. But before I start, if you new, please don't forget subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new videos on this channel. Let me start. First, tap to open WhatsApp. Tap the contact's name or phone number that you would like to set disappearing messages. Tap on the phone number and name up here. Move down to find the disappearing messages option. Tap to open. When these messages pop up, tap on OK to continue. Here you can see there is a lot of different options to select 7 days, 90 days, or 24 hours. For this video, let me select 7 days. So this means when I send a message to this chat, it will disappear in 7 days. Here you can see there is a message that shows the disappearing message turned on. Even if when you receive a message from this chat, you can see the icon appears. So, when you want to disable it, open the WhatsApp chat. Tap disappearing messages. Select off. So that's it. Let me hope this video has helped you.